Ooh, I love that question. Thank you po. I think for me, the more I said that that everyone's probably gonna see in this concert is the more said na has been, I mean, I don't mean any puns, but the more said that has been through fire, that has been through so many obstacles and a lot of risks that I personally wanted to take, that I decided to take. I think the more said that everyone's gonna see is the more said who is just still full of so much passion and love for her craft, but at the same time is constantly wanting to reinvent herself and take new risks. Like sobrang risk taker talaga ang Morissette po na makikita nila sa concert po na to this month that's happening this year. And yeah, just like the growth of who Morissette was from the 14-year-old Morissette back in 2010 to now the 29-year-old Morissette celebrating her 15 years in the industry. Very ano siya, risk taker. Yun po.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.